Hello there, I am Winnie and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you a small thing of how I spice up my ice cream. So let's do this. So to start off, you're gonna need some nuts. You can choose whatever nuts you want. I decided to go with peanuts. Then some ice cream. I decided to go with pina colada, but you can choose whatever ice cream you want. Then some chia seeds. So why chia seeds? Because they are healthy and I just like the crunch that comes with it. Then some raisins. These are actually my favorites. So sweet. I love them. Then some biscuits just to add a little bit of crunch to my ice cream. I decided to go with the Oreo. Then obviously a spoon and a bowl. Spoon for scooping, bowl for mixing the ingredients all together. And as you can see here, I have mixed the chia seeds, the raisins and the nuts. Mix it all together. Yeah. And next you're going to add the ice cream, which is the main ingredient here. And like I said, you can use whatever flavor you like. So here I'm just mixing like that. Yeah. Next to go in was the biscuits. Then my dessert was ready. See you after I'm done. This is me 20 minutes later with my empty bowl. Guys, this thing is sweet. You should try it. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, kindly share, like, comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching.